Hey guys, welcome to Gio's channel. Gino is not here. Gio is in Texas. But I'm still gonna open some packs. I told Gio to send me some content. He don't want to work, guys. He doesn't want to keep y'all entertained. And he's at the farm right now. So, yeah, make sure to put on the comments to tell him to make some content so I could check out the farm. Let's see if my little $10 was worth the investment. Not on that. Is there a Charizard in here? A blue dinosaur? Okay. This is a cute card. I'm Bipon. I got like 1,000 of these. Anyways, so yeah, that was a total failure. I was trying to get a Charizard for Gino when he comes back. Anyways, like and subscribe to Gio's channel. He is taking a vacation right now. So hopefully he'll send me some videos how the life in the farm is going and back in Texas. See you on the next one. And make sure to follow his YouTube. He has about 37 subscribers, so he only needs a few more to reach the 50 so he can open his ETB.